Anytime we're being asked to find the length of a line, we want to be using the distance formula. The distance formula is going to be that big long square root, and we're going to do x2 minus x1. So in this case, I'm going to do 5 minus a negative 1 and square it, plus y2 minus y1, or 2 minus 8, and we're going to square that. Let's keep going with this. 5 minus a negative 1 gives me a 6 squared, plus 2 minus a negative 8 is another negative 6 squared. Be careful if you're going to do that in your calculator. You will want to make sure you put parentheses around it. When you add a 6 squared and a negative 6 squared, this gives us the square root of 72. If the question asked you to leave this in radical form, you'd want to simplify that square root of 72 by thinking of what numbers multiply to give us 72. Off the top of my head, I know that 9 times 8 is 72. 9 can be broken down into 3 and 3. 8 could go to 4 and 2, and the 4 could keep going to 2 and 2. We can take any pairs outside of this square root. So we can take a pair of 3s and a pair of 2s, multiply them, and that gives me a 6 times the square root of 2.